Let's see how to print large letters in a single sheet of paper in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, what we should do, or rather what we can do, is simply increase the size of our letter so that it fills the contents of our page. So let's go ahead and try that. For example, we want to type this letter A and fill it the whole page. And as you can see, we now have our letter right there. Now, to add another letter, simply click on enter, and that should keep your font size and direct you to the next page. For example, just like that. And as you can see, we now have 4 pages for our 4 letters. And to print this, simply click Ctrl P on your keyboard, and that should direct you to this printing options in the File tab. Now you can see the preview right here when you scroll. So for page 1, it will only contain the letter A. Page 2 will only contain the letter B. Page 3 for letter C. And page 4 for letter D. And to print, simply click on print right here. And that is how you can print single letters in a single page in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.